On July 13th, 2025, I had the spontaneous idea to fly out to South Haven and visit a cute beach there. It's right on Lake Michigan. So I took Naomi with me and we departed Pontiac Airport. After about a 15-minute flight, we picked our friend up, Victoria, from Livingston County Airport right near Howell, and then we departed to South Haven, and here's our adventure.
Trim. Verify flaps, verify trim.
Can I lock the phone?
Yeah, you can lock it.
Livingston County traffic, Cirrus 454, Sierra Romeo is departing, runway 31 to the west, left turnout, Livingston County.
Okay, clear left, clear right. Let's check again. Okay, here we go. Airspeed's alive. Engine instruments in the green. Rotate.
Alright, yeah, you don't feel it that much.
Livingston County, Diamond 150, Papa Tango, departing runway
1200
31
flaps.
to the east, Livingston.
Flaps are up, verify. .600 AGL caps is available.
Livingston County traffic, Cirrus 454, Sierra Romeo is departing the field to the west, final call, Livingston County.
Okay, 1900 for 3005.
Cirrus Charlie Romeo, you're 5 miles from Go Speed, cross Go Speed at above 3000, cleared straight in RNAV, runway 27 launch approach. Okay, cross Go Speed at 3000, cleared for the RNAV, 27 straight in. 29 Charlie.
We had a high pressure system over Michigan, which is great for flying, but it is associated with lower visibility in the form of haze. Flight meteorological conditions were visual for the entire day, although visibility was somewhat reduced. Victoria had lots of great questions about aviation and engine performance, so it's only appropriate to have her hand fly the plane here shortly.
Well, it kind of sucks outside because there's a lot of haze, but technically you should look outside on your visual flight rules. This is as a backup.
Fair
When you're flying
24182,
instruments,
traffic no factor, passing off your right side now.
So-
turn right direct
Okay.
case.
So I'm gonna let go, and then you're gonna try to hold the
Cirrus
altitude.
454, Sierra Romeo, contact approach
you're not
119.2.
119.24, Sierra Romeo.
Just a second.
Great Lakes approach, Cirrus 454, Sierra Romeo, 4500.
Number 5656 Golf, Great Lakes approach, squawk 0264. Number 454 Sierra Romeo, Great Lakes approach, altimeter 3001.
30014, Sierra Romeo.
Okay. So
Alright, I've got 3 questions.
Yeah.
What does left and right do? What does forward and back do?
Tower, moment 8.3.
18.3.
sorry, I keep interrupting you. Just listening to ATC. Okay.
Number 56 Golf, radar contact, makes train runway 17.
What were you saying, Victoria?
What does left and right do and forward and back?
Left does this.
Ah, okay.
Right does that.
Ah, no, not to.
And then
okay,
up does this.
okay.
And then down does that.
Down, don't do that again. Okay.
That's funny.
It's a little freaking extreme, bro.
I mean, that wasn't extreme. That was
Well, it's. I don't like roller coasters, so.
okay. So do it gently.
Okay.
Go ahead. You can do a little bit more than that.
Ah, shh.
Are you trying to pull up?
I'm just looking. I'm not trying to.
Delta 2058, contact approach 128.4. Good day.
284, we'll see you, Delta 2058.
Oh. Okay.
Give it a bit more juice, Victoria.
No.
Just a bit.
No.
A little bit. You're not doing. You know, you're barely breathing on it right now.
I have a steady
November
hand.
5, November Lima, contact approach 128.4.
Okay.
Have a good one.
Let me steady out because I'm scared.
Okay, now take us to the right.
November 5, November Lima, contact approach 128.4.
Alright, I'm not-
Have a good one.
I'm going down. Let me go back up. This pole is up, right?
Yep.
Okay. Watching that. And I'm tilting and I didn't realize. Okay, so you were trying to keep it at 4480.
4,500.
Oh.
Yep.
My bad. Don't look down when I'm doing
I'm
this.
switching the field things for us.
I'm descending, not intentionally.
Skylane 700 Romeo Bravo, Great Lakes approach,
Okay, turn right.
altimeter 3001.
Try to line us up with arrow.
Okay.
There you go.
Number 56 Golf, contact tower 118.3.
Alright, visually it's a little bit easier.
Okay, watch your altitude.
Great Lakes, Southwest 38,
Try to keep
76,
it out. I'm scared.
5 with Tango.
Help,
Southwest
help.
8876, Great Lakes approach, altimeter 3001.
Then we got 2.5 miles.
South Haven traffic, Cirrus 454, Sierra Romeo is on a 2-mile final for runway 23, straight in South Haven.
Okay, let's go ahead and play this.
Start of traffic, experimental swing, 678 Charlie Bravo, 10 miles to the north, 4 minutes, LB crosswind, 325 Sparta.
Second notch flaps.
Alright, again, traffic, Sky 2145 Julia, 10 southwest, 3000, planning midfield downwind, 28 Ionia.
Am I allowed to unbuckle?
Yeah.
Okay. I wasn't sure how you're gonna be like the people in commercial airlines where they're like, please remain seated with your seats buckled.
South Haven traffic, Cirrus 454, Sierra Romeo is clear of runway 23, South Haven.
That's intense because you're like. There was a lot of movement.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's sometimes below the tree line, it's either really dead or really gusty, and you don't know exactly for sure. So,
How was it that time compared to other times? Was that gusty in respective?
now they go park in the back there so they can get out. How was what? I'm sorry.
Was that a pretty gusty landing?
That was, I would say, light moderate. Wasn't, you know, Mackinac Island was a lot worse. There's all the lakes and stuff, but. I think that's fine. It doesn't condition for something. Okay, let's do a magneto check.
South Haven, traffic, Skyhawk, 4766 Bravo.
It's a video. Just landed. Where are we? South Haven. Never been here before. Heard it's really nice. Got a cute town. We're gonna check it out. Victoria's with us. It's a little hot out. Not bad when you start driving through it though. So, but it was pretty hot. So, yeah. See you guys in a bit. Lower-ish visibility conditions, but it's not like low visibility.
This is literally called Dickman Beach.
That's where we were, right?
No, but it looks like there's actually parking here if you want to pay for it.
Well, let's go to the place we want to go. Real beach.
I'm sure it was a beach though.
Put my swimsuit on in the car.
There's probably a bathroom, dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh, were you recording while I said that? I'm so sorry.
No, I wasn't.
So there's West North Beach.
But it is a cute little spot. Ice cream. Beach ice cream.
Beach ice cream.
Better than regular ice cream.
So let's see. Yeah, parking here is gonna be not
Okay, don't look both ways. Just get run over, buddy.
some people are leaving. Big parking.
And you're gonna have to pay for parking.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Gotta find a freaking parking spot. Alrighty, we are in South Haven. We have Naomi with us and our friend Victoria. And this is one thing I love about flying is just jumping around to wherever really. I want to do a bunch of beach towns here this summer. This is Lake Michigan. We're gonna get a good view of it too when we depart later today. So yeah, we'll see you guys soon. What?
I don't look graceful.
Dude, this is it, man. Lake Michigan. We got here in what, like, we picked up Victoria from Howell Airport, which is 10 minutes away from her place. And that was like, I don't know, 45 minutes or so. How long was the flight to get here from Howell? 40 minutes, yeah.
Yeah, because it was like a little over 30 when I looked at the timer.
Yeah.
Once you get used to it, it is.
Yep.
Oh, I don't know how my heart is.
Well, we're all not exactly, it was a hot day, okay?
Oh, it's cold once you get
All right.
this deep. Oh.
My goal now is to bring as many friends down here as possible. Alrighty, we're about to head back. Drop Victoria off at Howell, Livingston County Airport. Just had steak dinner, that was pretty good. And yeah.
Airspeed's live. Engine instruments, the green. Flaps. Caps is available. $2,000 for 35.
As you can see, the visibility is somewhat reduced due to that high pressure system. We have a lot of haze there. But even with that, the views were pretty spectacular, especially on this side of the state, near the water, at this time.
Victoria, what's up? Look to your right. I see the water. Yeah. The sunset too.
Alright, well, we missed the sunset by a bit, but that's alright.
Oh, I see it. I'm trying to get a couple. Ooh, this one's gonna be really pretty.
So, this started our journey back to Livingston County Airport to drop Victoria off. And about halfway through that trip back, it was properly nighttime, as in it was about an hour after sunset. And so I opted to shoot an approach into Livingston County, which was the RNAV 13 approach. We'll be watching that here shortly.
40, we have 5 miles for runway 13 straight at Livingston County.
There he is.
Where? I see little lights up there.
Livingston County, Citabria, 1 Lima Bravo, left downwind, runway 13, we'll be following the Cirrus.
Yeah, so see that right there? That plane? See where I'm pointing?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that's them. They just took off, broke off, and they're gonna follow us in.
Gotcha.
Hey babe, you're missing a cool runway. Ah, she's asleep.
This is pretty neat. It looks vertical, like it's going up, and it's really weird. My brain is tricking me. But it's flat.
Livingston County, Citabria, 1 Lima Bravo, final runway 13 Livingston County.
That is crazy. Because it felt like we were pointing downwards. I don't even know.
Livingston County traffic, Cirrus 454 Sierra Romeo is clear of runway 13, taxiing back to the ramp, Livingston County.
You actually have a little headlight?
Yeah, it's my landing light.
So, after we got back to the ramp, which the Livingston County Airport has a nice lobby area, we said goodbye to Victoria, used the restroom, and hopped back in the plane. And at that point, it was a relatively short trip back to Pontiac, which was 15 minutes. But I always spend a little bit of extra time to make sure everything is fully functional. I don't avoid or skip doing my run-ups or any safety checks. Before I get in the air, it's always the same routine. You can also see here the pilot-controlled lighting, which is activated with clicks over the radio. 7 for maximum intensity, and 5 for a medium intensity, which is what I prefer for this takeoff roll. There are some quirks to night flight besides the requirements from the FAA to have 3 takeoffs and landings in the last 90 days. It is very important to know how to fly your airplane at night when it comes to equipment lighting. You may need a certain set of lights for pre-flight examination and another set for in-flight procedures. You will see me getting the weather information for Pontiac before we get to the airspace. This reduces the impact of white light on my retina, which can reduce my night vision capabilities. We land back here in Pontiac after being cleared for 27 left to conclude a wonderful trip to South Haven Airport with a great friend. I'm extremely grateful to be in this position to explore my passion for aviation and for the friends I have to share these experiences with. So thank you.